Hello my friends, I hope you're well, and in today's video I'm gonna show you bags that I have to sell and that you need to buy. These bags come from consignments from my clients, mostly around Europe and Paris, of course. And everything will be available on the website bamluxurystore.com. I ship worldwide. We are a small business with my partner Vincent. We include in the price customs and taxes, so feel free to order if you are based outside of Europe. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions related in the comment section or directly on Instagram or directly on the website. We try to be as fast as possible in the answers. Okay, girls, so now I had a Goyard today. This is exactly the same that I had. Well, not exactly the same because it's always unique. It's pre-loved sometimes. Sometimes I have brand new bags. I have one brand new bag to show you today. Goyard Saint Louis PM size in grey Goyardine canvas. Beautiful condition. Corners are great, my friends, like very, very great. The handles are in good condition, honestly. You have the little pouch that goes with the bag. Price, you will see, is insane. You love it. And inside has little stain, but it's quite usual on this type of bags. It's fabric inside. Price is 1,590 euro. You will have the USD price on the website directly. I have the USD available. You can pay directly in USD. This way you avoid any fees with your bank. And by the way, if you have any tips for selling a little bit more in Canada or outside of Europe, like for example the US, etc., don't hesitate to let us a little comment to maybe let us know what we can increase, what we can do better to sell more internationally. Always happy to get some feedback on what we do, the website, and etc. Okay, now Louis Vuitton with the box and the dust bag. This is a very classic bag now, considered as a classic one. And this is a multi-pochette with a little pouch. Excellent condition, honestly. The khaki one. I prefer the khaki one. I have exactly the same. And the khaki, in my opinion, is way better because you're not going to stain the strap. The pink, light pink, I don't really like it because it's very damageable. You can stain it super fast. So we have a very good condition on this one. Honestly, great, gorgeous. Leather starts to tan a little bit. But the patina is great. Inside is as new, honestly. Same for the second pouch. And the price is quite good. We have a price of 1,720 euro with box and dust bag, guys. Next, I had a Speedy 30 in damier ébène. I had the padlock, but not sure I got the keys. Let me check this. Yes, I have two keys, actually. Very good condition for this little baby. You had the little attached, the zipper pull tag. Corners are excellent. Inside is very good, actually. You have some little trace of wear, but very minor. And price is 1,070 euro. Okay, now a classic Chanel flap, gold-plated vintage, beautiful black lambskin leather. I love it. This one is in very good condition, honestly. The gold-plated hardware is excellent. Leather is beautiful. Also, the corners are great. We have such a special bag. The hardware also on the chains is excellent. This is a bag that you can wear here on the shoulder or as a crossbody. Let me show you. Here. Beautiful, no? Love it. This is a classic. You cannot miss buying this type of bag as an investment. Also, it's very good. This is a black bag that you need in your own collection. Inside is very good. My client added another, I don't know how this is called, but it was missing one and she decided to change one. It's not the same color, guys. That's it. But otherwise, excellent. This is one of the most beautiful one I got. And you get the Entropy certificate with it, of course, and our certificate. Every bag that you see here goes through me directly for authentication, plus Entropy. Always, always, always double authentication, super important. Don't hesitate to have a look on the Trustpilot. Most comments are in French because we have French, but we are based in Spain. But don't hesitate to leave us a comment if you already purchased from us on the Trust Pilot, because this way we have more English comments, I would say. Always help a lot. Okay, this is the bag that is brand new. This is a Gucci with the dust bag. And this is also a black, cute little bag. This is a Blondie from Gucci. You have a protection sticker on the back still. Quite excellent. I love it. This is good shape because it's rounded but not too much. The size is quite perfect. You can fit a phone, you can fit a wallet. You can wear it as a crossbody. Let me show you. This is a good one. And the strap is quite long, so it will fit for any body type, any height. Like, let me tell you, it's a good one. And you have like the little protection for the shoulder. That is good, very good. Okay, let me show you now the inside of the bag. Love it. And brand new, you know, you still have the sticker here. I try to be careful with how I show you the bags, but yeah, look, perfect, 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 if you know the reference. So this is a good one. The leather is very soft. I really like actually Gucci leather bags, like the Diana. This one actually is so underrated and very, very cute. And the price, 1,640 euro. For a brand new Gucci bag, it's quite cheap. Like, honestly, I would definitely buy it. Now, I have a little pouch for you guys. This is so freaking cute. Condition is very good. Look, very, very good. It's so mini, so cute. Ah la la, I love it. And the inside it's excellent. This one is in very, very good condition. So cute. It's like the toiletry pouch 26, but the mini one. Voila. And do we have the date of this one? This is a vintage from the 80s. Okay, I'm shocked. Great. I think it was never used before, and the price is 199 euro. Okay, now I have another Louis Vuitton because we love some LVs in our lives. We have the dust bag, and you can probably guess what it is already. The Alma BB in damier ébène. Let me take the strap out of here. So you have the strap, of course. We have padlock and keys, and everything is good. The bag was already used a little bit, but still in good condition, actually, I have to admit. And the inside of the bag was used a little bit, so you have some little stain, but that's quite okay, actually, for the bag. And price, you're gonna be shocked. Price is 1,090 euro, which is very, very good, guys. Voila for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. And this Sunday is a more classic videos. And I have my 30 years old unboxing to do. So I have to film the video, but you will probably... Oh, it was already released or not? No. It's gonna be this Sunday. So, no, because I still haven't filmed it yet. I went to check to get the birthday gift not so long ago. And try to guess what I got for my 30 years old birthday. It's insane. I'm quite happy about it. Try to guess. And I will release the video Sunday at 2 p.m. Paris time. So for New York, I think it's in the morning. Like you remove 6 hours, I think. Something like this. Well, anyway, it's going to be in the morning for you guys Sunday if you are from the US, or if you're Europe time based, it's going to be like 2 p.m. I hope you will enjoy the video. Don't hesitate to subscribe, to like, to comment this video with the item, the bag that you preferred in this selection. Not everything is here. I didn't show you everything. You will have to go on the website to check everything, pamluxury.com. You can purchase through the website. Everything is working perfectly. And I'll see you very soon. Bisous!